Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, how much money can I have in my Monese account? Now, before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why this is such an important question. Money is a big deal, and it's something that we all need to manage carefully. When it comes to our finances, we want to make sure that we're doing everything we can to stay on top of things. And that's where Monese comes in. Monese is a mobile banking app that makes it easy to manage your money. With Monese, you can keep track of your spending, set up budgets, and save money for the future. But how much money can you actually have in your Monese account? That's what I'm going to answer in this video. So, how much money can you have in your Monese account? The answer is, it depends. Monese offers two different types of accounts. Classic account. The classic account is free to use, and you can have up to £2,500 in your account. Premium account. The premium account costs £14.99 per month, and you can have up to £50,000 in your account. So, if you're just looking for a basic bank account, the classic account is a great option. But if you need to hold a larger amount of money, you'll need to upgrade to the premium account. In addition to the account limits, there are also some limits on how much money you can transfer in and out of your Monese account. For example, you can transfer up to £2,500 per day from your bank account to your Monese account. It's important to note that these limits are subject to change, so it's always a good idea to check the Monese website for the latest information. Now that you know how much money you can have in your Monese account, you can make an informed decision about which type of account is right for you. If you're looking for a simple and affordable banking solution, the classic account is a great option. But if you need to hold a larger amount of money, or if you want to take advantage of the additional features that come with the premium account, then that might be the better option for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.